Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and we are in week 5 of the fourth quarter challenge. If the information I shared during the first 4 weeks resonated with you, continue the journey with us and embark on this new leg of the challenge. This month, we are focusing on reflecting on what we learned this year so far and reclaiming that knowledge to use next year so that we'll have a much more successful year. This week, we'll be discussing personal health. And I'd like you to remember to like, subscribe, share this content, and invite somebody to join you as we finish this challenge. There are still 9 weeks left. Also, I want to remind you about our accelerated cohort for R4, which starts on November 8th, and the Put Your Dreams to the Test Leadership Mastermind Learning Circle that starts on November 11th. But we'll talk more about that later. Right now, I want to talk about communication, and I have a question for you. How has your body been communicating with you this year? Your body has probably been sending you messages all year long. Maybe it was that persistent tension in your shoulders during that stressful project, or perhaps an energy boost you felt when you finally started that morning exercise routine. Maybe it's the exhaustion that just won't go away, no matter how much coffee you drink, no matter how much Red Bull you consume, or no matter how much sleep you get. Here's what I've learned. Our bodies are brilliant communicators, but we are often horrible listeners. Here are 3 practical ways to start listening better to what your body has to say. The first is doing a full body scan check-in. Take 30 seconds right now. Stop the video. Close your eyes if you're comfortable. Sit comfortably and start at the top of your head and mentally scan down to your toes, each section of your body. Where are you holding tension? Where do you feel energy? Where do you feel anxiety? Where does it hurt? Even if it's just a minor ache. Don't judge it, just notice it. This simple practice on a daily basis helps you to tune into the signals that you've been ignoring. Second, track your energy patterns for 1 week. Note what time of the day you feel most energized. Note when you crash. Notice what activities drain you versus the activities that fuel you. Your body is telling you something about alignment. And when you're doing work that matters in ways that honor your natural rhythms, your body sings. It responds differently than when you're forcing yourself through misaligned activities. The third thing is to stop apologizing for your body and start thanking it and thanking the divine for it. We spend so much time criticizing our bodies for what they can't do or how they don't look, but your body has carried you through every single challenge that you have overcome this year. It's healed your wounds, it's fought off illnesses, it kept showing up even when you didn't treat it well. What have you started the day with? Thank you for what you're going to help me do today. Thank you for strong limbs. Thank you for good breath. Now, here's the tactical part. In 2025, think about what your body's been trying to tell you about your pace, your priorities, your boundaries. These are the insights your body has given you this year that will be the foundation for how you will thrive or not in 2026. So write these insights down, take some time to analyze, and make up a plan for what needs to be amplified, what needs to be eliminated, or what needs to just be changed in the new year. In fact, you might want to start by taking some baby steps over the next 60 days. Drop a comment and tell me, what has your body been trying to tell you this year? I've already shared what my body's been telling me. I read every comment and I'd love to hear from you. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more of the videos that I post. And also, please remember to share this with others and invite them to join you as we tackle this November content. And what I'd like to also invite you to do is, if you're a woman in transition, especially if you're a woman over 45, you might want to join our accelerated R4 cohort that's going to be starting on November 8th. And in that cohort, we're going to reset, we're going to rise, we're going to reimagine our careers, and we are going to relaunch ourselves for 2026. The other is the Put Your Dreams to the Test Leadership Learning Cycle that will be starting on Tuesday, November the 11th, where you're going to come with your dreams and we're going to put your dreams through a special system and grid set up by Dr. John Maxwell that will help you to see where you should pursue your dream, what aspect of it you should proceed, and how you should start and how you should go about it. Remember that these are both powerful tools, and we've got great frameworks to go through them in. You'll have 5 weeks of support for the Put Your Dreams to the Test Mastermind. And for the accelerated R4 cohort, you will have four 90-minute sessions. I look forward to seeing you next week. I remind you to like, subscribe, share, and invite. It's been great to be with you, and I'll see you with our leadership tip later in the week.